What is going on, everybody? I hope everybody's enjoying their week. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Black Apino, the Apple Guy, and this is your first time here. Please hit that subscribe button and smash that bell notification. That way you don't miss content when I drop it. And today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to add or remove a printer on your Windows 10 device. And the reasoning I am doing this video is where I work at, I have usually get a ton of these questions, especially with people, much older people who are not really tech savvy, so they'll buy a new Windows 10 device and then they have an older printer, and usually old tech and new tech don't really mix together, so they're not really sure what they should do. Should they get rid of their old printer and buy a new printer? And simply, it could be that there just could be a connection issue between their laptop and the printer. So this tutorial is designed just to kind of show you if you have any connection issues with your printer, what to do. It's a really simple step to simply just adding and then removing your printer. So what I'm going to show is I'm going to show the entire tutorial, the entire video on how to add a printer to your Windows 10 device and then how to remove it if you're having connection issues with this. So this is going based on the fact that you don't have a printer, or that you're buying your first Windows 10 device or your first laptop, or you're buying a new laptop to replace your older one. So as you can see here, I am on my Windows 10 device. So we're going to tap on the Windows Home button. And then from here, we're going to go on to Settings. And then from there, we're going to go to Devices. And then, as you can see, it's going to show you Bluetooth and other devices. That's not what you need to look at. Actually, what you're going to be looking at is where it says Printers and Scanners. And that'll be to your left. You tap on that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add a printer or scanner. So you tap on that, and it's going to look. Now you want to make sure that your printer is on the same Wi-Fi as your laptop or desktop. Otherwise, it will not be able to search for it and find it. So as you can see here, it shows my printer. This is my printer on the same Wi-Fi. I'm going to tap on it, and then I'm going to add device. It's going to connect, and then once it's connected, Windows will automatically do any updates, any drivers that need to be added in order for the printer to link with your computer and use it. And that's pretty much all there is. So as you can see, it's ready. Now, once the printer has been connected, that is pretty much it. And that's all you have to do. Now, say you're having issues with your printer and it's not connecting with your HP, and you've restarted your laptop or you restarted your desktop and it's still not connecting. Well, I'm going to show you how to remove the printer and then just follow those steps again once you get the printer and everything back up and running. So you're simply just going to go back into Settings, go back into Devices, and under Devices, scroll under Printers and Scanners. Then you're going to look for your printer because it'll be the one listed under Printers and Scanners. Simply tap on that, remove device. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to remove this? Hit yes. Then it will simply remove the printer, and then that's it. And then once you are done, you simply just go in and then you go back through the settings again, which I will show one more time. You simply go back into Settings, go into Devices, go into Printers and Scanners, and then from here you just simply add printer again, and then it should show the printer back on your Wi-Fi, and then you simply add it again. Now again, you want to make sure that the printer is on the same Wi-Fi as your Windows 10 device, or otherwise it will not connect to it. So as you can see, it's showing up on my Wi-Fi. Simply tap on that, add device again. It's connecting, and just like I showed you before, it will automatically update the printer drivers or anything that needs to be updated for the printer to communicate with your Windows 10 device. And that is pretty much it. So as you can see again, it is updating this. And if your printer usually goes to sleep, it'll usually give you a status of unavailable. That just means that the printer's asleep. You simply just go back over to the printer. You can either tap on the power button or print something, and it will wake up the printer. But as you can see, that is pretty much it. It says it's ready, and all I have to do is, if I'm wanting to print something, I just simply go into my web browser, print whatever I need to print, whether it's a document or something, and that is all. So again, I want to thank everybody for watching this video, and if this video was very helpful, please give me a thumbs up, as these likes do help me create better content. And I'm going to thank everybody, as we are so close to the 500 subscriber mark. Again, I am doing a giveaway of a camera, once I reach the 500 subscriber marks. Again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, smash that bell notification. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also feel free to browse my channel, as I have a lot more tutorials on Windows as well as tutorials for Apple devices. So again, I want to thank everybody for watching. And again, my name is Black Apino, the Apple Guy, and have a great week.